Hey everyone, welcome back into a brand new video. Today I want to talk about how I approach meme coins with this brand new strategy, because it is not the way that most people are doing it nowadays. I stopped trying to trade meme coins and invest in stupid coins, and I started launching my own coins instead. That shift alone has been way more profitable for me, and it still works right now in 2026. Let me break it down for you guys in today's video. Now, this Phantom wallet was not built overnight. It was built by launching meme coins instead of trading them. Watch closely and follow the method. Now, most people do not lose money in this market because they lack discipline. They lose all their money and all their Solana because they try to trade meme coins and hope for a coin to pump. They enter a coin once the momentum is already moving, and after that, the person who created the coin exits on their fucking head. Now, that is called being exit liquidity, and that's why a bunch of more sophisticated traders and established KOLs are dropping trading and turning to launching instead. It's low risk and high fucking upside because creating coins is completely free, so every single time you launch a coin, it's a new opportunity. Now, when you trade meme coins, bro, your capital goes straight to the creators. But when you launch your own coin, you become the creator and you take full control of the entire chart. Now, the process of launching an entire coin is really fucking simple. You deploy the token for completely free, you let buyers and traders arrive naturally from Memescope, and when you deem that the market cap is really fucking high and juicy, well, you take profits whenever you want. You can clip or just dump it completely. It's up to you. Now, launching has become the new meta because putting a meme coin on chain costs almost nothing, like I said earlier. That's how I built my entire crypto portfolio, so keep watching because I'm gonna show you how to fucking launch a meme coin, okay, on the blockchain, and how it could potentially turn into real gains, all into this video. And by the way, I do not sell a fucking course, okay? I will explain all from A to fucking Z in this video. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Cap! Now, when someone is about to launch a meme coin for their first time, the platform they usually end up looking at to launch meme coins is Pump.Fun. Now, do not get me wrong, bro, it is the most popular and familiar name, so it feels like the right move to dev meme coins. But that is where beginner devs go wrong. Pump.Fun is completely saturated. New tokens are created non-stop, and most of them fade out almost immediately. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not really building, you are just hoping for your coin to go viral out of nowhere. And there's a major catch. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a share of your creator fees. So from day one, you don't fully own your own launch. Now, the real goal as a dev is to get your coin in front of the Raydium DEX where real liquidity is resting. That's why you have to be launching your coins elsewhere. For example, I switched to create Meme.io, bro. This launchpad removes all of those limits and your token launches directly onto Raydium immediately, skipping the fucking slow steps and the entire bonding curve, so your coin will reach real active traders and will give you an edge over every single other coin out there. And most importantly, bro, you stay in full control of your own liquidity. That's exactly why this launchpad stays under the radar. Now, making a meme coin on this launchpad is really fucking easy. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Now, the first way is to create a whole new token from scratch. Now, your meme coin needs a narrative. That's why I would highly recommend to head over to X, to fucking TikTok, Instagram, okay? I don't know what, but look for a narrative. It could be a viral tweet, it could be anything, right? It could be your own project or community. Once you have that idea, bro, come back to create meme, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live after these steps. But I would personally recommend the second method. It's the one that I use 24/7, and that's by copying trending coins on the third tab. Now, all these coins right here are going viral. They all have a good narrative, and they're all getting a bunch of fucking volume on Pump.Fun right now, okay? And the method is to copy a coin here, and since the coin is already proven to work, well, you can just copy that to Raydium and then bag a bunch of fucking apers, and that's how it works basically. It's also called vamping, and I would do a quick example. But anyways, now it's time for the example of today's video. It will be the most important part because I will be copying a coin and we will see how much we make. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. Okay, obviously to Raydium, or you can go on Pump.Fun. That's up to you, bro. I'm gonna do Raydium. Now I'm going to copy the Monty coin. It has the last byte 10 seconds ago, so click on copy to Raydium, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, and understand, confirm. And by the way, bro, the warning is completely normal. Then just wait for the pop-up. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. But first of all, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live, everything is minted and legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where everything activates, okay? This is the page that activates the market. By adding liquidity here, your token becomes instantly tradable onto Raydium, and for everyone, it will show up in the migrate section. Now for token A, click on 90%. That is basically the supply that is going inside your liquidity pool. The second step is for the token B. This is the first transaction that starts your chart. You were the first buyer as dev, and that is what the supply you're going to hold. Now this SO is not gone. Once you are ready to remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your Phantom wallet, so we have nothing to lose. That's the whole point of deving. I'm gonna put 0.3 SO, click on create pool, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then you should be able to click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button and obviously scroll down, and boom, the Monty coin is on live and your profits are right here. Let's go. And if you want to see how much you're up whenever you want, you can simply click on refresh for a second time. And for example, here we just got a $123 buy. It could be multiple people or one person, okay, but this is proof that this coin is good. Now click on view on photon to see the chart, or Axum, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen to see the official chart. Come on, bro, it has to load in. Come on, bro, why is it so slow? Okay, now it's live, let's fucking go. As you guys can see, bro, the chart is fucking going up and down. Don't worry if it goes down, bro. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and that will lead to potentially more people to, you know, buy your coin and then explode. 40 bucks, 50 bucks, like that. We are doing a quick comeback. We are at a 1.5k market cap. If I had to guess, I think we're up around $200, $300. We are making money from every single transaction because of the creator fees and from the supply that we own as a dev. Oh my god, bro, we are on a fucking winning streak. 70, 10, 75, things are looking good. Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump, bro, and I will give this coin like 30 seconds. I will be right back and we will see how much we're up after that period. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 4.6k market cap, token liquidity, things are looking good, we are getting buyers, and now it's time to cash out and see how much we're up in profits on this specific coin. Now come back to create meme.io real quick, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, we are up $1.74 thousand USD on this coin. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity, then wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. And as you guys can see, bro, in this wallet we are going to receive 14.1. So click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet to see if we received the SO, yes sir, we received it inside our Phantom wallet, bro. Look, even though the market is kind of down, Solana is at $124, we still ended up making some decent bread. Now, guys, it's up to you to decide if you want to do it or not. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. I would highly recommend to launch 1 to 3 coins for for the maximum amount of, results. Obviously, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. So just subscribe, like, and peace out.